going on YouTube? It's your boy T-Rev. So today I actually just picked up a fairing and a mustache bar for my Iron 883. I'm going to be doing the install. It seems pretty easy. The fairing has these little clips right here, and they come in two pieces. So you have the piece with that actually mounts into the actual fairing, right, that you clip it onto, and you have the bottom piece that's going to mount onto the actual bar, and you just put them together like so. Boom. And you put a bolt in here, and it tightens it around that actual bar. And then I'm gonna pretty much put them all on pretty loose and then fit it, and then I'll tighten everything down. Also just noticed that on the actual inside of the fairing, was wondering, like, is there any additional locking? Looks like there's a little locking mechanism right here. Pull this little hinge forward and it locks down. Pull it up and you can unlock it. So once I get that actually fastened on there, we should be good to go. So now that the actual fairing is on, what I'm gonna do is tighten up these couple of bolts with an Allen key right here, here, and the same on the other side. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just finishing up tightening this last bolt right here. Try and get a good angle of it. Everything is tightened down. Literally just 2 clamps. They're both half pieces, so this is one piece, this is one piece. Bolt holds them together. So 4 pieces on this side, 2 bolts, and then this is that locking mechanism I was telling you guys about, that you just pop down over this one and lock it in place. This one seats in there, and the other side pretty much the same thing.